First, we are going to catch the meaning of what it means $20 per hour. Imagine you are working and they are offer you $20 per hour. We'll see the meaning. Later on, we are going to connect this meaning with what it means 20 meters per hour. $20 per hour plus $20 per hour means that you increase your money in $20 every hour. So the change in your money is $20 and the change in time is 1 hour. The change in your money can be $40 if the change in the time is 2 hours. Because 40 divided by 2 is the same as 20 divided by 1. $20 divided by 1 hour is the same as 40 hours divided by 2, the same ratio. So you are working at $20 per hour. So now we need to start with some initial conditions. What is the initial condition? The initial condition is that you have some money. Let's say that you have $100. So if you have $100, and I represent the money on the vertical axis and the time on the horizontal axis, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So you start at some level, at some initial condition. Initial condition means that you start, let's say, initial conditions means that you start, for example, at the level of your money, M0, $100. So you start with $100, means that at t equals 0, you are at the level of $100. The level of $100 is this level. This is the level of $100. But at t equal 1 hour, what it happened is that you are earning $20 per hour. So you are not here now. In 1 hour, you will be here, and the increase in your money will be $20. Now your final amount of money will be 120, so you are at the level of 120. So you start making a jump of 1 hour and increasing $20. So your new amount is 120. When you do another step, 1 hour, you increase again $20 because you are earning $20 every hour. So you are now here. So you are now at the level of $140. $140 is your new level, $140. So now that you are here, another hour will happen, and you are earning another $20. So now you are at the level of $160. So what is the graph? What is the graph of money? Here is the amount of money that you have. Here is the amount of time that has happened. What is the graph? The graph is a rectilinear line. This is the graph. Well, what is the equation? The equation is that your starting money M0 has changed. Your starting money was $100, and the change in your money per unit of time is $20 per hour. And what is the equation? The equation is that the money that you have at time t will be the money that you start, the 100, plus the change in your money. The change in your money is 20 by t. Let's go to check this equation. So, m of 1, your money after 1 hour will be 100 plus 20 by 1. This is 120, it's correct. Your money at 2 hours will be 100 plus 20 by 2, it will be $140. So your money is increasing. It's increasing at a rate of $20 per hour. Now, can you do the same thing instead of dollar? Can you do the same thing with position and time? First thing. Second thing, can you do the same thing if instead of earning $20, you are paying $20? So now, let's go to do it. The change in your money per unit of time is minus $20 per hour. And you start at an initial amount of money of $100. What will happen? What will happen is that your money is going to decrease. It's going to be less and less. So you start at the level of 100. After 1 hour, you are at the level of 80 because you pay 20. So 1 hour spent, $20 that you pay. $1 hour spent, $20 that you pay. 2 hours. 2 hours. Time t in hours. M in dollars. So 1 hour that you pay, you are here. $20 that you pay. Maybe you are paying because you hire a service. So what is the graph? The graph, it will be this graph. This graph. If it continues, it will happen, it will follow the rectilinear line. So what is the equation? The equation is your money at any time t bigger than 0 is your initial money, but now the slope is negative. Your change in your money per unit of time will be the velocity for the case when you use instead of money position. So your final money, the M, will be your initial money, M0, the 100. Now your money is decreasing, and it's decreasing at a rate of $20 per hour. You see that when you multiply by t in hours, the hours will cancel. The hours will cancel, and it will be the equation will be m of t 100 minus 20 by t. Let's go to check. M of 0 is 100 because minus 20 by 0 is 0. 20 multiplied by 0 is 0, so m of 0 is 100. M of 1 will be 100 minus 20 by 1 equal 80. M of 2 will be 100 minus 20 multiplied by 2. It will be 40, 60, or 100 minus 40 is 60. So $60 you will end with $60 after 2 hours. Okay, now your challenge is, can you connect these ideas with the case where the change in position x per unit of time, the velocity is plus 20 meters per second. And this is the first case, and the B case is when the velocity is negative, when the change in the position in meters, the velocity is minus 20 meters per second. Can you make it? And in both cases, the initial position is 100 meters, and here is also 100 meters. So can you connect these ideas with this and get this equation? The x of t, your money maybe, is the x0, maybe your initial money, plus the change in m per unit of time, the rate of change, oh, not your money, your position x by t. Can you connect this equation? Can you find that for the case A, x of t equal 100 minus plus 20t, and the first case V, x of t equal 100 minus 20t? Can you graph x versus t in both cases and find a rectilinear line like this for the first case and find a rectilinear line like this one for the second case? Can you do it and explain it? Good. Do it and explain. If you can do it, you can master this idea.